morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
I would like to thank Global Spoken English for giving me chance to enhance my communication skills. I am Vandana. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on success. Let me start my speech with some beautiful lines. जीवन में कभी भी किसी बात का पछतावा नहीं करना चाहिए। अगर यह अच्छा है तो यह बढ़िया है, अगर यह बुरा है तो यह अनुभव है। You should never regret anything in life. If it's good, it's wonderful. If it's bad, it is experience. गिरना एक दुर्घटना है, नीचे रहना एक विकल्प है। Falling down is an accident, staying down is a choice. हमेशा विश्वास करें कि कुछ अद्भुत होने वाला है। Always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. Let me explain more something about success and failure. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is courage to continue that counts. Success and failure are inversely proportional to each other. If a person is successful, he or she will directly drift away from failure. Achieving success is not easy. If it was, everyone would have done it, but it's not impossible. It's important to know that the road to success is filled with failures. Through those, one becomes successful. It should be understood that failures act as a stepping stone for success and gives the will to work harder toward his her goals. I conclude my speech thanking you all listening to me patiently. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
सलाम बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,